Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we'll see how to install a case fan in your cabinet, and the fan that I'm using here is manufactured by Chiptronex. The model number is H100R. So this is a nice little budget fan that you can find online. I've shared a link for buying this in the description section below, and the cabinet that I'm using in my video is manufactured by Corsair. So this again is a nice budget cabinet. So if you want to buy any of these two products, head down to the description section below and you'll find links for these. So with respect to the installation, the first thing that you need to do is to turn off your cabinet and also unplug the power cable if possible, just to reduce the risk of electricity shock. And then on this fan we've got two sides. So the side that has the frame, that's the side from where the air would be blowing out. So in my case, I already have a fan that's mounted on the front of the cabinet. So this is pulling the air in, and now I want to install this in such a way that it throws the air out. So this frame side is something that I will be pointing towards the outside. And for attaching this fan to the cabinet, you've got 4 holes on the fan. So basically you just need to align with the holes that are already provided on your cabinet, and then from the back side we'll insert the screws and then tighten them. Alright, so I've installed the 4 screws, and now let's connect the power cable. So for the power cord, you've got 2 attachments or 2 ends. So one is the female connector and the other side we've got a male connector. So depending on what's available in your cabinet, you can choose accordingly. So I'm going to be using the male connector with a female connector. So that's done, and now let's power on the cabinet. Alrighty, so it's throwing decent amount of light, and even with just 2 fans the cabinet looks well lit up. I'll be installing a few more fans on top anyway, but I'll do that in another video maybe. And for the time being, let's put back this panel, and I'll also turn off the lights so that you can see how the cabinet looks in dark. So this is how it looks with the lights turned off. I think it's pretty amazing. Let me know what you guys think about this setup, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such stuff.